in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to require an administrator permission in order to show or display legacy networks and options on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is select your Apple icon up in your top menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel now, select Wi-Fi, and then on the right side, select the Advanced button. Where it says Show Legacy Networks and Options, go ahead and toggle that to the on position and then select Done, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.